What's up, guys? Today is the day. I'm so excited. I finally get to go pick up the Mustang from paint. I've got the trailer hooked up on the back of the truck here. If I can haul it home, I'm super excited, kind of nervous because, of course, you know, it's a paint job and you just kind of save up for something like this, and it's a big deal to you. And you start thinking about, okay, did I do the right color? Is it gonna look good? I think it's gonna look good. I can't wait to see it, and I'm on my way out to go pick it up right now. You know, the color that I had chosen, it really it came down to a couple of colors. You know, a while back I'd asked you guys what color would you paint if you were going to paint this car, and there was a lot of good suggestions in there, a lot of suggestions that I didn't think really fit my build, and then there was some stuff that, like, man, you guys are right on the same page as me. And really it kind of came down to two colors, the one that I picked, and then the other one was a very close second, almost tied. And I think that if I had painted it that color, I still would have been good. And there was a couple other colors that might have looked good too, but I think we picked the right one. You know, and this is not one of those kind of builds where I'm not trying to build some trailer queen, or I'm not trying to go win a award show kind of stuff where you painted some crazy color that kind of gets everybody's attention. There's a lot of colors out there that are from other manufacturers that I think look really good. And I thought about it, and I thought, man, that would look good for this car, but then it didn't really kind of fit the build. So I think what we ended up here is going to be a great color that I'm looking forward to, and I can't wait to show you guys. So I'm going to finish. I'm going to go pick up the car, and I'm so excited. All right, guys, I got the car picked up. I got to hold the camera just a certain way so you guys don't see out the back window and see the car. We don't want to give away the color too early. Let me get home and get this car unloaded, then we'll take a look at it. All right, guys, so we got the car back off the trailer. It's sitting in the driveway. This thing looks fantastic. I can't stop looking at this car. There's a couple things I need to do to touch up. You know, like he did some, I don't know what you do when you polish, or what do you wet sand the clear a little bit, and just to kind of dial it in. I needed to clean off some of the residual stuff from that. But other than that, I got so much work to do with this car. I got a lot of work I was going to do after the car got painted. So, but anyways, you guys are probably itching to find out what the paint color is. So let's do it. Let's turn it around and look at the car. So as you can see, I went with the Wimbledon white and the Guardsman blue, the very traditional colors that are, you know, very recognizable. This is probably my favorite color combo for these cars. I was saying earlier there's another one that was kind of a second place, or very close and almost tied. It would be the reverse of this, right? The blue with the white stripes. I almost did that, but in the end, I just decided that I needed to have the Wimbledon white with the blue stripes. The car before was more of a bright white with a Viper blue stripes, what the guy told me it was painted. That's not what I wanted. From a distance, it looks like the car, but when you get up close, you can recognize that the color, the paints are not right, and I wanted it to be right. So this is what I want, and I'm so pumped. It looks so good, and I got a great deal for what I paid in the paint job. This thing looks fantastic. I really won this time. So on the sides, I still need to do the stripes. They're actually stickers for this car, and I've got those stickers for both sides, but I'm gonna let the paint kind of off gas or whatever it does to kind of sit there and let it cure for a little while longer before I put those stickers on. So I'm not in a big hurry to do that, but I'll get that done pretty soon. And the same thing for this side. I got the stickers that go on here, so we'll get that done. So the first thing I need to do is get this thing cleaner. There's a lot of dust. Like if I lift the hood there, the whole engine bay is just coated in white dust. I gotta get that all blown out of there. The inside of the car is it's a whole dust layer in there. Gotta get that cleaned up. But I've got a lot of stuff I'm gonna do. I'm gonna rewire the car. I got new carpet for it. I'd like to do new seats, but I still haven't come up with the answer on the seats yet. It's been a long time since I originally talked about that, but I still haven't made up my mind. I'm leaning towards the set, but they're pricey, so I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do about that. But I gotta finish that, then I gotta get the engine and the transmission back in there. So I got a lot of work to do to get this car dialed in, and it's gonna be a busy weekend, so I better get started. So guys, I better get to it. If you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I appreciate it because it helps my channel out, and we'll see you in the next one.